Are you looking for a brand new construction home in Amarillo? We have all the scoop. Welcome to Beacon Point.
Beacon Point is located on the south side of town off of Western and Sundown Lane.
This new subdivision offers homes from the $250 to $350 price range, all feeding into Canyon ISD.
Have you heard about Homestead?
Yeah, that's off of 34th between Soncy and the Loop.
And they have homes starting in the 200,000s.
With a variety of floor plans, whether you're looking to build from the ground up,
or if you want a turnkey move-in ready home, we have several options for you.
Meat & Bow has an entire showroom floor with a variety of finishes for you to customize your new home.
Meat & Bow also offers $10,000 in flex cash.
If you want more information on that or new construction homes in Amarillo,
Give our team a call.